We want to share with you, we are getting a better look this morning at some of the damage left behind from those overnight storms.
So Denton County was one of the hardest hit spots overnight. Some of those strong wind gusts caused damage in the town of Crum. That's just northwest of Denton. That's where we find our Tiffany Liu this morning. And Tiffany, so strong winds causing some issues for hundreds of people there. What are you seeing?
Well, Kara, Mark, what a change from last night to right now. And where I'm standing from afar, it might seem like this awning just fell over on the property, but that certainly isn't the case. It actually came from several buildings further down the street and actually landed on these power lines you see up here. And officials tell me that the awning was actually hanging on these power lines. It blew about 400 feet after really high winds hit Crum last night around 9:30. Again, like I mentioned, they said it was hanging on the power lines. And at the time, there were customers inside this Johnny Joe's gas station convenience store. There is still a pickup truck here as well. It is damaged. The driver was inside the store, thankfully unharmed. We're told another truck, which is already gone, was carrying a trailer with a horse inside when it was hit by debris. I'm told that horse is okay. They were able to get him out safely. Encore eventually had to knock the awning down onto the ground safely. They were out here for several hours working to fix these down power lines that knocked out electricity to one side of town. 800 homes and businesses impacted should have power again, according to Encore's outage map. They left just about an hour ago. Now, what surprises officials here is that this is the only damage they've seen out here in Crum, as if the storm picked this awning and then just dropped it on the power lines, thankfully, and they are grateful that nobody is injured here today.